Toro! Attack! Okay then, right, what we have here is a really gorgeous Japanese temple bell. This is a personal Buddhist bell. Okay, and I managed to get hold of a striker. And let us peruse. The kanji tells us, right there, and right here, this tells us right here, it's Showa Niju Nen Kugatsu, which is September. It was cast in September of 1945. Now, this kanji here tells us that it was cast at the Sairenji, which is Sairenji is a Sairen temple in Ibaraki. So let's see now. From Google, a friend of mine had to look it up, all in Japanese, and then okay, let's have a look. But there is in Google in English. You'll find exactly about this temple. Now, Sairenji, built in 782 in Ibaraki. Ancient Sairenji temple was built in 782, and its Nio, the gate, and spire are nationally designated cultural treasures. There you go. So, that's that, and that's where this bell comes from. Okay, now, let us have a look. Oh, this, I do plan to sell this scroll at some stage. I'll be listing it probably today. So, whomever shall, you know, I'm telling a few people once I list a few things, and you'll, like, I'll get around to listing this at some stage. Okay, so, let's see now. Plonk that there and go like this, and you've got your striking point here and your striking point here. Okay, let's have a look here. I'm not sure if you can hear all the reverberation. I'll try it over here. Isn't that loud? And there you are. Okay, so personal bell, Japanese Buddhist personal bell, and it's a lovely piece from September of 1945 from a very famous temple. There you are. Okay, I better move on to some other things. Keep watching my listings.